Welcome to another exciting agricultural science class. I remain your agricultural science tutor, Chinedu Mukereke. So today I'll be treating the topic farm planning. Before we go any further, let's look at our objective. Okay, so by the end of this topic, or by the end of this class, the student should be able to define farm planning. And secondly, by the end of this class, the students should be able to identify factors affecting farm planning. And by the end of this class, the students should be able to state the principles of farm planning. Okay, so let's try to answer the question, what is farm planning? Farm planning is the process of organizing farm resources effectively to achieve efficient production. So if you go to big farms, the farmer there want to organize his resources so that he will make the most out of it. Resources are not just put into use. You ensure that resources go into the best part of the farm where the yield will be more. All right, so now let's look at factors affecting farm planning. So the number one factor is size of the farm. I mean, if you are into commercial farming, for instance, you have a large portion of land. You don't just walk into the land and start farming. You need to plan how you are going to use the land for efficiency. Now, another factor that affects farm planning is capital available. Now, it is the amount of money that is available that will determine the type of equipment that a farm will purchase or the type of agricultural activity that it will be involved in. Farm planning helps to achieve this. Then the climate. Do you have enough rain? If there is not enough rain, you have to plan towards providing an irrigation for your farm. Is the temperature suitable for the type of crops you want to cultivate? If not, you make provision for a greenhouse. The next factor that affects farm planning is labor. How much labor do you need in your farm? Obviously, if you have the right amount of labor, this will increase productivity of a farm. The next thing is the soil. Is the soil fertile enough? If the soil is not fertile enough, then you have to plan for fertilizers to supplement the farm nutrients. So all these factors are the factors that influence a farmer towards farm planning. All right, welcome back to class. So at this point, we'll be looking at principle of farm layout. Now, one of the principles of farm layout is accessibility. So why will a farmer carry out farm layout on his farm? One good reason is accessibility. Every farmer wants his farm to be accessible. He needs his farm to be accessible so that he can move farm equipment in and out of the farm. He needs his farm to be accessible so that he can move agricultural inputs in and out of the farm. He also needs his farm to be accessible so that he can move out agricultural produce from the farm. So usually farmers carry out farm layouts on the farm for this reason, for accessibility. Another principle of farm layout is proper spacing. A farmer clearly put wants to space his his crop farm from his poultry farm. He also wants to give adequate spacing between his poultry farm and his fish pond. Another principle of agricultural or farm layout is drainage. Every farm deserves a good drainage. So during farm layout, farmers make adequate provision for the drainage system of the farm so that whenever it rains, water easily washes away from the farm without destroying anything. It's been a wonderful time with you all. But before we go, let's see how much we've learned so far. So, number one question I'm going to ask is define farm planning. Good. Number two question I'm going to ask is mention four factors affecting farm planning. Awesome. Number three, state three principles of farm layout. Wonderful. It's been a wonderful time with you all. Thank you so much for your time. So see you in next class. Bye.